Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and sign in on Plenty of Fish. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply gonna go ahead first, open up your Plenty of Fish app on your phone. Make sure that you have installed it by simply going to App Store, Play Store, and then you're gonna simply tap on it. Now this is how it's gonna appear, right? Simply have this option of login, where you're gonna go ahead and enter your username on top, and in the password section, if you have saved, you're simply gonna tap on it, provide the verification right over there, and then you will be able to add in your password. So let's say if in case you have forgotten the detail of your password, then simply go ahead, tap on this option of forgot your password. Enter the email with which you created a Plenty of Fish account, which it is associated. Once you have done that, tap on reset password. You will receive an email where you will get the verification code. Simply go ahead, enter that in afterwards, and go ahead, enter a new password, and your password will be resetted and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.